What's going on? It's Bobby K, professional landscape designer and installer. I'm here back for another reaction series where I'm going to take 4 photos. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, give you out some pro tips. So let's stop talking, get right into it. Picture number 1, I feel like creativity just went out the absolute window and this person just gave up on life. This is literally the retaining wall equivalent of a Ford Taurus. This was the first car, I didn't advance in life, I'm stuck here, damn. I can say that joke, I used to drive a Ford Taurus. In all seriousness, we can do better. Picture number 2. So we're in here and I think it's very easy for you to say, well, obviously you're gonna like this better. It's a bigger wall, it's got the staircase, there's more to it, it's more expensive. I get all that, but let's point out what could have been done on the first wall and what this one is doing correctly. So what I like is that they took the color palette from the retaining wall blocks and they brought those to the stairs and they made them like a natural staircase versus just taking the blocks that we saw in picture number 1 and stringing them across, and it just looks awful. They're breaking it up, they're bringing more design and texture and ambiance to this place, and this is how I would recommend doing a wall and stairs versus just the same block, throw it across, and you just Ford Taurus the living crap out of it. Picture number 3, so we talked about some stairs. Now how do you landscape on the outskirts along those stairs? And this is a bed that I think is a good try, but it doesn't quite look good. What's missing here and what's wrong with this is they have all these little stones and then the landscaping around it. I think if they had gone to bigger stones or bigger boulders or more landscaping and hid some of the rocks, it would look more natural versus you obviously just grabbed a bunch of stuff at the nursery or at your home supply store and put them in there to retain, but it doesn't quite look right. Let's go to one that does. This is how you landscape a hillside. I got 2 pictures here. The first one, it's got some bigger boulders, but the areas that are blank, they're filled up with plants or ground cover or something like that. Just a really pretty, good way to put it together. The second picture is much of the same, but this is like all ground cover. So what I like about these is they're hiding that filler material, which could be rock or mulch, and they're not going crazy with stones everywhere. They're doing a couple big boulders as focal points, and it looks much more natural and much more beautiful. In all seriousness, if you drive a Ford Taurus, I apologize. I know your pain. It's okay. It will get better. Do they even make those anymore? I don't know. Either way, that wraps up this reaction series. I had a hell of a time. We're going to do another one, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.